Bat is a common name used to refer to any of the roughly 1,400 species of winged mammals belonging to the order Chiroptera. Bats are found in almost every part of the world, with the exception of extreme polar regions and some remote islands. Bats are the only mammals that are capable of sustained flight. They accomplish this by using their elongated fingers to support a flexible membrane of skin, which is called the patagium, that stretches between their fingers, arms, and body. Most bats are nocturnal, meaning they are active during the night. However, some species are crepuscular, active at twilight, or diurnal, active during the day. Bats have a unique method of navigation called echolocation. They emit high-pitched sounds and use the echoes of those sounds to locate prey, avoid obstacles, and navigate in the dark. Bats have a varied diet, with some species feeding on insects, others feeding on nectar or fruit, and still others feeding on fish, frogs, or other small animals. Many species of bats live in large colonies, sometimes numbering in the millions. These colonies can be found in caves, trees, and even buildings. Bats are important pollinators and seed dispersers in many ecosystems. They play a critical role in controlling insect populations and maintaining the health of forests and other habitats. Some species of bats are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, and disease. However, many conservation efforts are underway to protect bat populations and their habitats. Bats have a unique way of sleeping called torpor. During torpor, their body temperature drops, and their heart rate and breathing slow down, allowing them to conserve energy. While bats are often associated with vampire folklore, only 3 species of bats feed on blood, and they are found only in Central and South America. Most bats feed on insects, and a single bat can consume hundreds of insects in a single night. Bats are long-lived for their size, with some species living up to 30 years in the wild. The largest species of bat is the giant golden-crowned flying fox, which has a wingspan of up to 1.7 meters, 5.5 feet, and weighs up to 1.5 kilograms, 3.3 pounds. In some cultures, bats are considered to be symbols of good luck or good fortune. In others, they are associated with darkness and evil. Bat guano, feces, is a valuable fertilizer, and in some places, it is harvested and sold for agricultural use. White nose syndrome is a fungal disease that has killed millions of bats in North America since it was first discovered in 2006. The disease affects hibernating bats, causing them to wake up too often and use up their stored fat reserves too quickly. Some bats are known for their ability to perform acrobatic maneuvers in flight. The Mexican free-tailed bat, for example, is able to reach speeds of up to 99 miles per hour and perform sharp turns and dives. Overall, bats are incredibly diverse and interesting animals that have adapted to many different habitats and lifestyles. They play a critical role in many ecosystems, and their conservation is important for maintaining the health and balance of those ecosystems.